Hey guys, Alex from Kiss My Keto here. As most of you know, I've been an avid keto dieter for the last 3 years. And during that time, my biggest concern has always been, what do I do when I want to snack? When I want to have a bit of fun and have an indulgence? Well, Michael and I and the whole team have been working on this problem diligently because we know you guys feel exactly the same. So today, we are so proud to introduce sugar-free chocolate bars in 4 unbelievable flavors. Original, almond, pumpkin seeds and sea salt, and hazelnut. And all of them are infused with our pure C8 MCT. These really are the first ketogenic chocolate bars available anywhere in the world. And they're a guiltless indulgent with less than 1 gram of sugar in an entire 3-ounce bar. I can tell you, I eat these religiously now, and they provide me with an unbelievable keto snack. I can't wait for you guys to try them and give us your feedback.